Hello, my name is Daniel Schindel, and I'd like to walk you through this dashboard I created in Tableau showing a few of the features of the 2018 season of international cricket. The first feature I'd like to bring to your attention is this list of team names where if you click on one of the teams, you can see the win percentage of that team while playing first, the win percentage when chasing, and the overall win percentage. Also, on this map, if you're unfamiliar with where a country or team is situated, that shows up here as well. And when you're not selecting any particular team, then this map shows the number of wins each team had in the 2018 season. The larger the circle, the more wins each team had, but if you mouse over, you can see exactly how many wins a team had. So for example, Ireland had 8 wins in 2018. Then, if we scroll down, this chart will show wins at home, losses on home ground, wins while away, and losses while away. Also, if you click on any particular team in one of the losses charts, this map is still showing wins. So, while Scotland had 5 losses while away in 2018, the West Indies won one of those matches, the United Arab Emirates won one, and Ireland beat Scotland 3 times while Scotland was away. I'd also like to point out that if you zoom in on any of the clustered areas, you can more easily see the team names as well as where each country is situated. Next, I'd like to point out that before starting this project, I knew nothing at all about cricket. So whatever it is that your company does, I will be able to get up to speed and show you something useful in relatively short order. And from here, I would like to show you some of the technical details as to how I was able to accomplish this. The first thing with this list of team names, that comes from these 3 sheets, and it's there primarily as a filter for this sheet showing the win percentages playing first, chasing, and overall, with a few extra filters so that when I'm not selecting any team names, this information goes away. The wins and losses while home and away come from this sheet where I have a calculated field that just takes this parameter of which chart you want to see and selects the appropriate field, the appropriate column to plot. Lastly, the map would be a fairly straightforward thing showing the number of wins each team had, except that while most teams represent a country, that's not true of all of them. For example, for the West Indies, I had to tell Tableau that the West Indies is the team name, but it's placing its circle on Jamaica as a representative country within that region. Next, for Scotland and England, Scotland and England are countries within the country of the United Kingdom, so I had to plot the United Kingdom on a separate map and then use dual axis to put the United Kingdom on the same map as the rest of the world. Now, if you're watching this video for my portfolio, links to this dashboard and the data that went into the dashboard are right there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, links are in the description. With that said, I'm excited to see what I can do for your company. I really enjoy learning new techniques and developing my skills, and several of the techniques on display here I had to find online. So whatever it is that you put in front of me, I will be able to figure out. So thanks for watching.